Today I'm going to show you the WordPress front end and back end. All right, so head over to your WordPress site and go ahead and get in there and get logged in. That was our little password manager helping me get in there. So now, once I get logged into my site, this is the back end. This is the back end of your website. When you're here, you've got all the admin controls, all your plugins that you put on there. You can see if you need updates and stuff. You can make posts and do all that. If you click right here, you can go to your front end. I'm actually going to right click there and I'm going to open that link in a new tab. That takes me to the front end of my site. I like to work in this way. I've got the back end in one tab. I make my changes, edit a page, do something here. I go to my front end and I refresh it. I take a look at what those changes look like. So if I could find this Hello World post back in my back end, I go to posts. Gonna make me log in again. What's up with that? There we go. I edit this post. Hello World. Let's give it a new name and some new content. So I'm just going to go hello world, double exclamation point. This is some new content. Bang, bang. God is good. All right, then I update this. You can see it's updating, it's thinking through that as it does it, and it's done. Now I can go to the front end here, and I can press F5, and it'll reload the site, and I can see what my changes look like right away. I can go back to the back end. I can make some more edits on this page on my back end, and then I can update it, and I can look at it on my front end. If I wasn't behind the WP Engine new site protector, I could easily just use this little clicker here and go back and forth between the front end and the back end, or the front view here and editing view back and forth. But I usually use two tabs, one for my back end, one for my front end, so I can easily go back and forth between the two of them. I don't know why I'm getting all these logins today. It's kind of crazy. But that's the back end and that's the front end. When I'm done working on a post or something, I can just pop out of there and head back to my WordPress back end. Back end, front end, back end, front end. You'll get familiar with that as you learn to do WordPress. Hey, this is Brian with Evo Dynamic. Thanks for joining me and the White Glove Ninjas to learn about the front end and back end of your website. You be blessed.